Tyler. Say night night face. What?
Tyler, tu vas au lit? Au lit? T'es fatigué?
Naughty.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, workout is just finished. Green juice on deck over here. Look.
Yummy.
Say good morning, Face.
Yummy.
Say hi, guys.
Yummy.
Yeah. Say good morning, Face.
Yummy. It's sunny day.
No, it's not sunny day. It's rainy. Very, very rainy.
Juicy juice.
You guys, just see I made the juice and put it down up there and it's all settled. I was washing the dishes. You guys, as I finish working out and look outside, let me show you what outside is looking like. Can you see that? You can't see nothing. That's how hard it's raining right now. It's raining like crazy outside. But yeah, just finished working out. The husband is still sleeping and I made juice, and of course Tyler is going to drink off my juice. You guys, just watch the amount of my juice that this boy is going to drink right now. He patiently waits on my juice every single morning when I work out. I need to start making him his own glass. Drink it. Look at him. Y'all can see that this was a full glass. See it slowly going down and down and down. And if you guys wondering what's in my juice, it's the same remedy as usual. It's cucumber, celery, apple, and ginger. And Tyler is going in. You guys see the glass going down and down and down. And if I let him, he'll drink.
Apple. And the jams.
Yes, and what else is in there? You guys, you see that? My juice is just going down. If I allow him, he'll drink off my juice and I don't get any. So let me break. Wait. Let Mama have some. Let Mama have some. Wait. Okay, sit here. Lord have mercy. Anyway, you guys, I am going to get my day started. I'm going to go get fresh and then make breakfast and be well on my way. Hopefully you guys have an amazing weekend, an amazing day, and make sure you guys get your workout today. It doesn't really matter what you do, just do something. Stay positive, y'all. Do something that makes you snap out of that gloomy feeling that you're feeling this morning. Do something. Go for a run, go for a walk, something that will help clear your mind. Just don't stay there and feel sorry for yourself. Do something. You're going to nap? You got a good bath? And a good brush teeth? Come for Dodo. Come for Dodo. See Dodo here. Come for it.
Wow. Wow. Toddler, regardez, toi. Pas terre. Boop.
You guys, dinner for tonight is gonna be roast chicken. So I'm throwing it in the oven right now.
Every time I'm looking at chicken, I'm trying to imagine doing chicken.
Why?
I don't know why.
You're hilarious. Mama, come in, boo boo. Stop the crying, or else I won't do it.
So how do you put this in the oven?
Huh?
How long you put it in the oven?
An hour.
About an hour?
I just had a brilliant idea. And I changed my mind from what I originally planned on cooking today. As you guys see, I put the chicken in the oven. It's been in the oven for a while. Almost 30 minutes. Then I all of a sudden decided that I don't want any chicken. So, you know it's the guest game coming up, right?
You're pregnant?
No, I'm not pregnant. No, honey, I am not pregnant. The guest game coming up, so you guys have to guess what is it that I changed my mind from the chicken to cook. What did I change my mind to? Comment down below and let me see who is gonna get it right. So if you guessed, honey, come and tell them what it is.
It's tomatoes and
Come on, not in the frame.
onions and green peppers and red peppers. As long as I say the ingredient, maybe you figure it out. And some saltfish. Some saltfish. And
what's the main ingredient?
saltfish.
That's one of the main ingredients. What's the other main ingredient?
Other main ingredient is
Drum roll, drum roll, drum roll.
Ackee.
Yeah. So
we're going to prepare Ackee and, or should I say saltfish and Ackee?
no, it's the other way around. You can't say it that way. You have to say it the correct way, okay? Ackee and saltfish, and that will go with some green press planted. My saltfish is running over on the stove.
Have you ever tried to make a perfect meat Ackee and saltfish with a lot of cheese?
With you? No! You! Who does that? I saw something online. A trick to not let your pot run over. So I'm gonna try it and see if it works. It says to put the wooden spoon over the pot like this. It says to put the spoon over the pot like this, and then when all the thing that's bubbling come to the spoon, it will stop and not run over. So let's watch and see if it will work. Big laughing. You think it's gonna work?
No.
I think it's gonna work. Fingers crossed. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. And let's see if it's gonna run over. It didn't work. The trick.
Everything was working.
The trick. They lied. That was an epic fail. is winning. Done. We're ready to grab. Sorry chicken, Ackee wins tonight. Tyler, c'est night face. What?
Tyler, tu vas au lit? Au lit? T'es fatigué?
You're naughty.
Who's naughty? Tyler is naughty. You don't want to say night faves? Give faves bisous.
No.
Why?
Fais un bisou à papa ou alors? Un bisou à papa?
No.
Bisous à maman?
Un bisou à maman? Non.
And faves? Faves bisous too? You finally give them bisous? Good job. So night faves. He's so feisty. My God. You get that from your father? Well, and your mother too.
You get that for your mother, especially your mother.
I won't deny. I won't deny that I can be a little bit feisty sometimes.
A little bit?
Yeah.
No, you're always a little bit, and sometimes you can be a lot of bit.
I won't deny it. I can be a little bit sassy, okay? Anyway, you guys, we're coming on to give you guys the Jamaican and the French expression for today. And the Jamaican expression is going to be highty-tighty. If somebody said to you, I want to that girl, she go on highty-tighty, man. This highty-tighty is used to refer to persons who are upper class that act like they're better than everybody else in this world. You understand? So the person in How to Get Away with Murder, the black girl, she's very highty-tighty.
Highty-tighty?
Highty-tighty.
Highty-tighty.
Right.
Okay.
Tyler say highty-tighty. Yes.
Green.
Highty-tighty.
Yes. That's the French expression.
I was about to start with one, but I just changed my mind now. Tu as avalé un clown.
Avaler clown.
Avaler un clown. Say it.
Avaler the clown.
Right. Say it. Avaler un clown.
Avaler un clown.
Right. Avaler un clown is to swallow a clown. When somebody says something that you think is funny, but in reality is not funny at all, you say.
You did that today. You did that today.
You swallow clown. You swallow clown. That was the French expression, tu as avalé un clown. Say it again.
Tu as avalé un clown.
Right, you swallow clown.
Yes.
So that was the French expression for all of the not funny person that think they're funny.
Babe and I have some of those moments. Why? Cultural differences. Sometimes he will tell me something and he's like, ha ha ha, and I'm like,
yeah, but sometimes I don't think also his culture is also my personality that like to be happy and like to laugh at everything.
At stupid things.
So
some things you're not to laugh about. Some things I take really
laugh
serious.
is for me like it's like a cure. Sometimes you just laugh.
That's true, but you need to know what to joke about and what not to joke about. Sometimes babes dying to laugh. I'm like, really, babe? That didn't call for. He wants to know. Go and sit and papa.
As long as you sit like this, because sometimes you want to pass and you walk on your face.
Oh, he doesn't care.
You don't care what
he doesn't care. Anyway, you guys, there you have the French expression and Jamaican expression for today. Tyler, you get it? Tyler said, make sure you get it. Tyler said, make sure you get it. Yes. Alright, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if it's your first time to the fam bam, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys
tomorrow.
Tell us it tomorrow. Bye guys.